KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the KiHiVE. And hello to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. Okay, disclaimer, your hair won't look like this when the style is done. I just deleted the footage of me telling you what this video was about, so I'm having to re-record it. That is why it looks like this. This week I am doing I tried a Naptural85 tutorial, and I'm trying her how to cheat a Flexirod set. I'm using the Crystal Orchid styling gel, some grapeseed oil, these red Flexirods. It doesn't get much better than this by the main choice. I also need a comb to detangle your ends too if you have hair like mine. So I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so let's get started. I finally figured out how to put her tutorial on the screen, so I'm gonna see if I can put it over here and y'all can watch me attempt to do this. She always got the best music.
Hey guys, don't mind the hair. We've got sort of a mix of things going on here as I'm testing out different techniques using heat. But I figured this would be an awesome texture to do a Flexirod set. Much like my perm rod sets, I get my best results if I'm starting out with dry, stretched hair rather than wet. So today I'll show you how I cheat my Flexirod sets. So you're gonna need your Flexirods, some gel, and a pomade. I'm using my DIY flax gel and shea butter cream. So working one section at a time and back to front.
Alright, so working back to front, so I got the back right here.
Flax gel, which is like extremely thick today, totally reminds me of Nickelodeon Gak, and work it into the section. Then begin
Oh, wait a minute, girl. Okay, got some gel. Then I'm gonna add this cream on top, just a little bit. So, okay, so let's see what else.
And the hair onto the Flexirod.
Okay, roll it onto the Flexirod. So I like to do my Flexirods like twirling the hair down like this, because it gives it like a spiral curl. We got one.
I'll grab another medium-sized section and repeat. A bit of gel, work it in, then roll the hair onto the Flexirod. That's like Flexirods or perm.
I find I have to detangle my ends a little bit because they feel a little tangled. Like, you ever just try to sit and do your hair and follow the tutorial at the same time, but in reality your hair takes like an hour to do, but the video is only 5 minutes. You're like, wait a minute, I'm still on the first rod and you taking your hair down. It's the next day for you. Oh goodness, yeah, I know the struggle. Let's go.
I find it easiest for me and my hair texture to start on dry, stretched hair. Because my hair is so springy and curly, it just makes it easier for me to roll the hair, get my roots more sleek. It takes less drying time, and it's 100 times when all the rods are installed. I just let them air dry as I sleep. So make sure you have a satin pillowcase and head to bed. It's the next morning and it's time to remove the rods.
It is not the next morning, Whitney. It is not. It's only been 6 minutes. So I'm going to just speed the rest of this process. You know, you see I got the rod. I got it in, so hopefully y'all got the gist, and you also seen it on the screen. So I'm not trying to keep your hair for 12 hours while you watch my hair. So I'll be back. Alright you guys, so I have installed all of the Flexirods into my head. Now I'm just going to let them sit overnight, and I will come back tomorrow to let you see how all of this came together. Now I'm going to attempt to go to sleep with all these Flexirods in my head and this big old bonnet. So this is how I go to sleep and Flexirods. Ow. Sleep is not going to be in my plans tonight, so if you ever do this style, make sure it's a night where you can stay up all night and risk getting little to no sleep, because that is exactly what is going to happen. This style better turn out right. You guys, so it is the next day and now it's time to take down these rods. So let's see what Nap does for me.
Time to remove the rods.
Alright, so this is what it's looking like after I've taken out all of the flexi rods. So now let's see what else. Let's see what else she does. Oh, it's so bouncy.
I was pretty shocked by how well the curls came out.
I know, me too.
This was by far my best Flexirod set to date.
Right? This is my first.
I did have a bit of pooling at the end. So I carefully separate the curls, and I'm making sure to feel where the curl neck.
Okay, so I'm gonna use a bit of some grapeseed oil so I don't cause a bunch of frizz. It's super soft. I think the combination putting the gel first and then the styling butter cream stuff, I think it really helped massage my scalp, because man, the things hurt my head. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to get my wooden pick so I can flip it up, because I like, you know, big volume in my hair. I don't want to fluff it up too much because I don't want the curls to get messed up. But this is what we got. Hair is super soft, as you can see. Is that a gray hair? Oh, no, it's not. So this is what I got. I'm super excited because it's so bouncy and full of life, and hopefully nobody tries to touch my hair. And I really hope it doesn't rain, because don't you hate when you do a style and then the weather doesn't want to cooperate with it? It's so annoying. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down in the comments below whose tutorial I should try next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.